Alright everybody, it's an early Saturday morning, about 7 a.m. to be exact, and last weekend we went to the Lexington Cars and Coffee and you guys seemed to really enjoy that and said I should do some more videos like that, and this weekend just happens to be LS Fest, so I figured I would get a ticket to LS Fest and take you guys along for the ride. So right now I'm just heading to pick up one of my friends and then we're gonna make the 3-hour drive up to Bowling Green, Kentucky to go see LS Fest. Before we hit the road though, I just wanted to talk about one thing, and that is the big mod that I keep talking about. It has finally gotten here and it is going to be installed this coming Tuesday. Like I cannot wait. If I say too much I'm gonna give it away. Just know that a major change is coming to the Genesis Coupe this coming week, so yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and start the 3-hour drive to LS Fest East. I don't really know what this thing is right here, but there's pretty much a tank on this trailer is what it looks like it is. Oh my god, dude. Alright, so we just pulled up to LS Fest. I guess let's see what we can find here. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do first, but I don't know. We'll just go see what's going on. All the cars lining up to drag race. Oh, that's the autocross, I guess. Yeah. Autocross course right there. I wish we could see what they'd run from here. That would be so cool, bro. That's like my favorite color C7, I'm pretty sure. It's that orange right there. This thing looks sick. This thing is crazy looking. The back tires, are we about to just walk through here or what?
Yeah,
okay.
I think so.
This thing's crazy. TKR Z06. Dude, those back tires. Gold wheels. I'd love to put one of these in my car. This thing is sick. Giant carbon duckbill. The whole back end is carbon fiber. License plate and everything. That's sick. Carbon everywhere, dude. This thing's wild.
There's the mail truck.
Look at the intake on that thing. The mail truck. This thing is wild. Literally, the whole body looks carbon. That's insane. The wheels are the same color as the car. This thing is awesome. Supercharged. Look at those wheels, dude. This thing though is crazy looking. Those back tires are just ridiculous. Got a Skyline right here. I think that's Japanese tags on it too.
Oh yeah.
Right hand drive. Got the C8. The big wing in person looks a lot bigger than it does on a picture. Like that's a pretty big wing, honestly. I think so. Oh, it's got the stripes on it too. It's a giant selection of hoods and other things that you might need. Brand new ZL1 next to
No, it's not what you
something. Oh, I wonder if it's one of those kit cars. I don't even know, dude. That thing looks crazy. Factory 5. It reminds me of a Ford GT kind of from the front right there. Look how low this thing is.
It really does.
I really don't know what this car is. It's a manual. I mean, dude, like the roof of the car is like lower than my waist. Like, look how small this thing is. The engine bay looks crazy. Got the skinnies up front. The Lucas Oil Mustang. K buys the plate. That's pretty cool. 2020 SS fully built. That thing is just, I don't even know. Got the wheelie bar and everything. Holy. That thing, oh my god. This thing is nuts. I'm not gonna lie, like those wheels actually look good on that color. Exhaust on this car, it's got a single exit in the middle. Oh, this is an old Rolls Royce. Single, I bet the exhaust came like that.
Probably. That's
wow,
nice.
it's clean, honestly. C8 right here. I wish I'd got that on camera, dude. I hope he does that one more time. Dude, that was the loudest thing I've ever heard in person. That's crazy. I missed it. I was looking away. This is probably my favorite color on these cars though, honestly, dude. It just looks so different. Ooh, it's got the matching calipers. Same color. I love that color. This is kind of crazy. That's Guitar Mageddon ZL1 right here with his crazy Camaro. Over here vlogging. That's crazy, dude. That's awesome. That's awesome. Look at that Camaro, dude. See that guy? Oh no, dude, that's crazy. That Camaro looks nuts. Look at the size of the turbo on that thing, dude. Completely stock 3.8 right here. It looks so weird with the stock size tires and everything now. Pretty badass CTSV. The blue calipers, that's hard. I like the blue calipers. I'm not exactly sure what our plans are. I guess we'll just finish walking around the pit, go watch some drag races, and then the burnout competition is later. That's gonna be the best part, no doubt. God bless. Got the LS swapped S2000 right here. So unfortunately it started to rain. They cleared off the drag strip already. It kind of looks like it might let up here in a little bit. Hopefully it will, because I really don't want to end the day here. So instead of going to watch some drag racing right now, we're gonna go check out the car show and see what we can find. And there's the ZR1 right there. Check out this Z06 right here. Wet paint. It's a license plate. That thing looks crazy. We got to figure out where he's parking at. This just looks crazy, dude. Like, that thing looks so sick. This truck is pretty sick. Got the T-Rex on the back. This thing looks wild right here. It looks like a wide body. This thing is awesome. Like, actually. Fat lady. Damn. This thing is wide, man. Got some drifting going on now. This thing looks sick. Got Chevy Dude C8 right here. That wrap is badass. This thing looks crazy, dude. I love that. We pretty much made a whole circle around this drift pad right here. There's nowhere good to stand. Hopefully you guys can see pretty good from here. I want to see these next people take off. That's it. Cleetus. That's him? Yeah. That's Cleetus right there? Yeah. Oh man, that's awesome. Trying to zoom in. This GoPro does not zoom like that. That'd be so fun. Pretty sick G37 right there. It might be a G35 actually. It's about to go out here and drift. Got a better view here, kinda. This Corvette right here though, dude. That thing is sick. Like, actually. Got Cleetus McFarland over here in the Freedom Factory Vet. That's dope, dude. There goes Cleetus. Oh man, that's awesome. Well, once again, it's absolutely pouring, so right now we're just kind of sitting in the car trying to wait this out. Hopefully it'll clear up and we'll get to see some more action. The rain cleared up a little bit. I mean, it looks like it's gonna rain again. We're out here at the car show right now. All the drifting and everything is closed down, but check this old Lotus out. LS in there. This thing looks crazy. That thing's awesome, dude. Look how big that engine is in this thing. This thing is tiny. This was not how today was supposed to go. So unfortunately the drag races were canceled today. The rain will not let up. The autocross is still going on for now, but it seems like besides this, they're moving everything to tomorrow. So I'm not sure what else we'll be able to see. I wish they would just do a massive drift around this turn. I like the green calipers on that thing. Damn. Damn, he's coming in hot. Oh, he drifted. He drifted in. That's pretty sick. Oh. That dude's off it. So, unfortunately everything was canceled, and this is what the parking lot looks like. So now hopefully we're gonna be able to get out of here actually. Alright, right, we made it back to the car. We're about to make our way out of here. Unfortunately, we had to end the day short at about 4. It was supposed to end, I think, at like 8:30 tonight or something like that. So about 4 hours short, but it was still pretty fun. And I guess now the most fun part is gonna be trying to get out of this parking lot. We finally made it out of the parking lot. It literally took over an hour to get out of that parking lot. And now we just got a 2.5 hour drive to get back home, and we're gonna conclude the day. All right, everybody, I finally made it back home. Well, pretty much anyway. I'm like 2 minutes away from home, but I just figured I would stop here and wrap this video up. Today was a pretty awesome day, if I do say so myself. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I am very disappointed that it started pouring and canceled all the events. Well, actually, I don't know for sure if it canceled everything. I know the drag races got canceled, but I don't know for sure if the burnout competition and the drift event got canceled. I mean, I heard that if it kept raining, they were, and it kept raining, so we left. But I mean, all in all, it was worth the $20 for the ticket. It was an awesome experience. The cars there were absolutely crazy. The people there were crazy. It was awesome, man. I saw Cleetus McFarland, I saw Chevy Dude, I saw Guitarmageddon ZL1, some awesome YouTubers that I've watched for as long as I can remember now, and seeing them in person, man, it's just crazy. But yeah, I mean, that is really going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. I really wished I could have had the burnout competition and the drift event in this video for you guys, but unfortunately, like I said, everything got called short because of the rain. Yeah, you guys let me know what your favorite car was down in the comments below. But yeah, like I said, that is really going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Also, one more thing, the major mod, like I said, it is getting installed this Tuesday. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. It's gonna be a game changer, man. That's all I gotta say. I don't want to give it away. But yeah, like I said, if you like this video, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.